guys. I'm sorry, Mimi. Sorry, Mimi, that to vlogging. My cat is over there. Let me show you. Sitting in the corner there, accompanying me. Sorry that I didn't post that much like last year, and I don't even know if this video is going to be published. Anyways, I just want to vlog. I kind of feel I want to vlog because I see other people's like YouTube channel and they vlog their day-to-day life or maybe their weekly life, and it seems fun. It makes me want to vlog again. It's just the editing part is like, you get what I mean? I have an upcoming trip. Yes, I'm going to Penang again. It's always Penang, I know, but this year I have quite a few trips, and also some is to overseas. So I just plan to like do a little vlogging here and there. Well, for today's video, I just want to share with you guys few online stuff just to try out for this travel to Penang so that I can use it for my overseas. And also I want to try out some different packing methods for my luggage and all. So yeah, let's start. So guys, if you're wondering what happened to my face, I see all this thing here, it's no biggie. It's because of my facial treatment. It's a post treatment, so it will become like that, but after a few days it will wear off. So it's actually just a facial treatment thing. Don't worry about that. I did like a few lists. It's not really complete, but I just wrote down whatever is in my mind. Are you going out? It's okay, yeah. Okay. Hello. Hello to camera. So it's gonna be there. Okay, I'll just I wrote down a few stuff on my phone over here. Yeah, it's like just a few. Just so I know what to pack. Are you going out? If he meows, only I open the door. I learned something from online, which is to easily pack and not to overpack your stuff. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. So I'm gonna try that out. 5 tops, 4 lower garments, 3 outer layers or jacket, 2 shoes, and 1 accessories of each type. The article that I saw is for the 3 items, they actually use 3 shoes and 2 outer layer jackets. So I just kind of switch around just to fit my requirement. Well, I don't have to follow exactly, I just make it suit myself. Hi. Miso. Mai suki yang mai teman dia mai. Ni. Okay. He meowed already. Hello. Uyo. Turun. Okay. Bye. He's hiding in his tent. I actually bought this one. What do you call this? A travel organizer bag. I bought it online because it seems kind of functional, I guess. It comes in a bag like this. There's a few options. There's like 61, 81, and of course I bought 10 in one because I want it all. I already used one of it because every time when I go back to my parents' house, my clothes are all over the place. And so this is the bag that I always use going back to my parents' house. Why am I talking like this way? Excuse that. Just open like that. So I will put like my toiletries, skincare products, and then my clothes will be like on the top. So whenever I want to like reach the bottom part, I have to like grab the whole clothes and put it on my bed, and then take this out and then put the whole clothes in again, and then it's like, how do I say that? It's like in Cantonese, it's like 好散啊. On this some 全部散晒咁樣. So when I want to grab the stuff, it's like, grab this whole thing, and yeah, it's easy. So I'm going to show you guys what's inside here and how I'm going to use it. I'm not too sure because it's my first time using it. The bigger one is this. I'm not sure how I'm going to fit that in my luggage over there. This is a regular 7 kg kind of luggage. I have this, a much smaller one, and this is just a tiny bit difference from this one. This one is supposed to be like for your undergarments. That's why it's like, it's not netted because you have to protect the privacy when you open the luggage. Like, oh, all my undergarments inside. This is for the shoes or slippers. I think I'm gonna put my slippers in here, wrapped in the shower cap, and then only I put it in this bag so that, you know, the soil won't like go everywhere inside this bag and it's easier to clean. This is supposed to be, what's this again? Wash bag? Oh, I think it's for you to put like makeup stuff or something. Not too sure. I have this accessory bag. It's kind of big. It's bigger than my palm. And this bag that actually hold all these things, it can also be used as a laundry bag. But this bag is kind of small to be used as a laundry bag. It comes with this hanging toiletries bag where there is a hook over here and then you just hang it on the wall. But I use it to put my tech stuff like my charger, cables, and whatnot. And then it comes with this bag also. This is actually really meant for digital use. Tech stuff, I already use it. I put my power bank. This is a very cute power bank that's small and light. Of course, it's pink. I love pink. My SSD. This one is great. It's light. This bag is not enough for me to put all my cable and charger stuff, so I resorted to use this bag also so that I can put more in it. I bought this mirror. This is a foldable mirror because I noticed the place that we're going to stay, the place for me to do my makeup is not really that functional. It comes in many colors, so I just choose white. It's a very portable size. It's not that big. This is actually a foldable hanger, just in case, you know, we're in need of more hangers. It's actually like that small. Of course, it's pink again. And then you can just open it up like this. Ta-da! And it becomes stretched out to be this big. It's a little bit flimsy though. I wouldn't say that it's very sturdy or hard type, so I'm not sure if you want to hang like, you know, winter coat. It's not really ideal for that, but I'll just give it a try. I haven't tried using this yet, so that's just my first impression, that it doesn't hold. It's not for heavy duty kind of hanger. This is a very innovative kind of thing. This thing actually folds. It's this small. What it's used for is a place for you to hang your stuff, so you can just open it. And this part is for you to like put behind the chair seat, and then you can like hang your hangers over here, all these holes. For example, I have this, ta-da, and I can hang like 1, 2, 3, 4, including here 5. I can hang like 5 hangers. It looks like snacks. I know it looks like candy, but this is actually disposable towel. Big size and small size. I think the small size is like handkerchief kind of size. I don't usually use the hotels one or the homestays one because for me personally, I think it's not really that hygienic. It's just my own preference to use my own towel because I know it's clean because I washed it myself. I'm buying these. The point of it is so that I don't have to bring my own towel. But because like if I'm going to a trip, especially my upcoming trip that has to like keep changing hotels, I can't be bringing my wet towels everywhere and it would like stink, you know. So I saw this online. It seems kind of useful. I think for this one, the usage is they say you just soak it with water and then it would inflate into, not inflate, what am I saying? How do you say that word? It kind of become big and you can use it and you can dry it and then you just dispose it. But this means it's wet, isn't it? So it means I have to like let it dry, then only I can use. It's very thin though, you see? It's like wet wipes. Yeah, it's exactly like wet wipes. think this would be perfect for like you're going to the beach and then you just lay over on the sand and just sit on it, and then you can just dispose it without carrying like a big towel. This is a travel size kind of container for you to put your toiletry stuff or skincare stuff. I feel that it's kind of useful because once you get to the end, you can just like, you know, pitch it out instead of like holding the bottle and keep like tapping, and then your whole palm here is like so aching pain. So hard to open. Okay, there you go. It's like that. Now it comes with a cap. So I bought a few sizes. This is the smallest one, medium one, larger one. So I got this 3 size. So I bought this from DAISO. It seems useful again because it says that you can use it dry or you soak it in water and then it will enlarge to become a bigger sponge. The colors is very nice and monotone. So I can just use and dispose it, or I'll just leave it there and use twice maybe. Not really ideal, but maybe. This thing is actually introduced by my sister. There's a cleaner kind of bristle here for you to clean your brush, the makeup brush. Once you clean it, you can just pop it in at the bottom right here. For those brush that are bigger ones, like the bigger handles, yeah, it doesn't work for this one, so you have to like find a place for that. The next one is this net. You can just hang it anywhere you want. I have this brush over here that have 2 ends. I can't hang it here, so I'll just put it in there and it dries as well. So if you guys want to know more about this thingy, I'm gonna put the link at my description below. I bought this from Shopee, so if you're from other countries other than Malaysia, I think you have to find keywords so that you can find it like at Amazon or other online shopping platform. Last thing I got is this luggage wheel protector. One pack comes in 8 pieces because our luggage bag, the wheel have 2 sides. Certain luggage wheel you cannot put this on. For mine, I have 3 luggages. 2 of it I cannot use, so only one of the luggage, which is this one can. It looks like candy. Let's try. I feel icky touching the wheel. Oh my god, although I did wash it, but still icky. Oh my god, so cute. You guys see this? Let me show you guys to see this. Actually, I can put other colors on the other side. Oh my gosh, let's do that. I have all this. Oh, you have to be careful of your nails though, because you have to like really get into it. Get your nails to like pull the edges out. Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay guys, I'm gonna put on the others and I'll be back. Oh my god, you guys, look at that! It's so cute! It's candy color. Purple and pink. At the moment it's okay, I would say. It's not as smooth as without the wheels protector, because once the luggage wheel kind of like turns around, there's a little bit of friction there and it will cause your luggage to like but currently my luggage is empty inside. Maybe if after I put like things in it and there's some weight, then it will be more stable, I guess. But it's not really a big deal unless I have to test it out, I guess, once you're like, you know, going from one place to the other, and whether it's an annoyance because of that. Well, anyway, if it's really annoying, I'll just take out the protector. It's simple. That's about it, the things that I bought online to try out for the travel trip. Now let's start packing.